TwoTrees TTC450 Pro CNC router machine review. 4-axis precision that expands creative control. The first time a desktop CNC skipped steps mid-project, the carving line shifted and ruined hours of careful setup. I remember staring at the misaligned text on a wooden plaque, knowing the client deadline was close. It wasn't dramatic, just frustrating. That quiet doubt creeps in when accuracy feels unreliable. If you felt that too, you understand. Missed tolerances turn simple jobs into late nights and wasted material. The sound of chatter during a cut can make your stomach tighten, especially when you're milling soft aluminum or detailed inlays. I once watched a relief carve blur at the edges after 5 steady hours. It drains momentum. You start questioning your machine instead of your design, hoping for control. Don't just pick any desktop CNC router. Make sure it has a rigid aluminum frame with a thickened X-axis plate so you never experience skipped steps and vibration chatter again. That realization led me to the TwoTrees TTC450 Pro CNC router machine. What stood out immediately was the 8mm thickened X-axis plate paired with T8 lead screws and upgraded 17HS stepper motors, giving noticeably smoother motion and around 0.05mm engraving precision. The 460 by 460mm work area finally let me batch multiple signs in one layout instead of running them one at a time. With GRBL compatibility, I could use familiar software like Easel and Candle without changing my workflow. It just worked. A small shop owner I know nearly missed a signage deadline, but after switching to the 500-watt spindle option, he cut clean letters in MDF at steady feed rates and delivered that evening. The optional 4-axis rotary and 20-watt laser module expand it beyond routing into cylindrical engraving and mixed material projects, and that flexibility matters. Next, let's talk long-term results. After several months of consistent use, the workflow feels calm and predictable. Jobs start with proper homing using the XYZ limit switches, and the 4.3-inch touchscreen lets you load files without staying tethered to a computer. That small shift changes your day. A desktop CNC reviewer described the TwoTrees TTC450 Pro CNC router machine as a platform that punches above its class, especially praising the rigidity and 460 by 460mm workspace for detailed wood and light metal projects. A wood sign maker told me, "My text edges stay sharp, and I can run multiple plaques in one pass without worrying about drift." Those comments mirror my experience. Some hesitate because it's not an industrial mill, and that's fair. It's built for woodworking, plastics, PCB work, and light aluminum with sensible feeds, not heavy steel production. Accept its lane. Within that lane, repeatability stays consistent, especially with the upgraded spindle options and dual brass nuts reducing backlash. More makers and small shops are adopting modular systems like this to save space and expand capability. Could this fit your workflow? Over time, that versatility becomes the real advantage. If your goal is steadier cuts, cleaner detail, and room to grow into rotary or laser projects, the TwoTrees TTC450 Pro CNC router machine is a practical step forward. It's becoming a quiet favorite among hobbyists and small workshop owners who want capability without overwhelming complexity. Results may vary with tooling and setup, of course. Still, the foundation is solid. You'll find more details through the link in the description or pinned comment. Take a closer look and see how it could reshape your next project today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.